Welcome to CartoonShala.
Vroom, vroom, let's go! Whee, this is fun! Faster, me fun! Whee, this is so much fun! I'm going to my house! Almost there! Where are you, Mom? Mom!
Hi, sweetie.
I missed you!
I missed you too. Sweetie, wash your hands and feet. You were outside.
Okay, Mom!
Good boy.
All clean. Time to play.
Hey, buddy, you okay?
Yeah, Dad. Come on, I want to show you something. Okay, I'm coming. Look, the stars are so beautiful. Wow, look at all the stars. It's beautiful. A shooting star. Quick, make a wish.
Amazing. Morning already. There, peace and quiet. Ready to brush your teeth, buddy?
Yeah, let's go.
Have fun, you two.
All right, your turn.
Yay.
There you go. Ready for some fun, buddy?
Yeah, this is the best.
All right, now let's wash up.
Okay, Dad.
All right, let's get this foam off.
Hee hee, it's cold.
All clean now.
Yay.
Ready for breakfast, champ?
Yes, I'm starving.
Let's go eat.
Okay. Mother, where are you? I'm right here, sweetie. Mom. Mother, we will all eat together.
Of course, sweetie. I'll cook for us.
Sounds great.
Yay.
I'll get started. All right, I'm making fresh bread and vegetables for us.
Yay, bread.
It'll be ready soon. All done. Ready for the plate.
It looks beautiful. I'll get the plate.
Wow, it looks so yummy.
Let's go eat.
Okay.
The food looks great.
Yummy. Yay, let's go.
Everyone buckled up?
Go.
They saw different things in different places, and they were very happy. And the car was going very slow.
Yay, to the park.
All right, we're going.
I see the park sign.
Here we are. All right, we're here.
Race you. Wow, look, so many kids. Yes, honey, it's a busy day.
Let's go watch them play.
Yay. Mom, Dad, I'm tired. Can we sit down?
Good idea, buddy. Let's find a bench.
Here we go.
Take juice, take juice.
I want juice too.
Sure, buddy.
Go ahead.
Look at that big tree, son. It's an oak.
Wow, an oak.
Good job, sweetie.
Thirsty? Have some juice.
Thanks. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
What a lovely day.
It sure is.
Whoa, look, a monkey. Oh, it's eating a mango.
What a sight. Monkey, can you give me some mangoes?
Sure, here you go. Yay, thank you.